Okay, we're ready to fit the latch side moulding. We just check that it's going to fit. Yeah, we've cut it correctly. So we're going to take a little bit of the liner off. There we go. Pull it down towards us. And then we need the fitting packer. Put it on the door. Put the moulding against it and push it up to meet the other one exactly. And then just tack it onto the jamb. Okay, move the fitting packer down, holding the moulding against the fitting packer against the door. Pull out the liner and tack on. And just repeat that all the way down. Now that we've fitted this, we need to press it hard into the jamb to maximise the adhesion. When you're doing this, make sure that most of the pressure is on the thin side of the moulding because we've got the groove on the other side. And if you press on that side, you run the risk of breaking the moulding. We're ready to fit the seal now on the latch side. Remember, the latch side takes the larger seal. Always make sure you start with a good square end and start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. Push the spline in and start moving down. Okay, one of the things that you have to watch out for is this. Okay, the seal has to be hard up against the moulding, so sometimes you just need to go over it again to push it in all the way. And we're coming towards the end, so let's just cut roughly to size. There we go, and we'll need to trim a little bit more. And let's just press in the rest. And there we go. That's a great job. Okay, so we fitted the latch side and let's just see how it works. Beautiful.